Hey y'all, what's up, what's good? It's your girl Chyna and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. If you're new, welcome. If you're not, welcome back to my channel. Why am I saying channel so much? But then again, anyways guys, today's video I'm gonna be doing a quick style for you guys. Again, I'm coming to you guys with another quick style. This style, I actually got this style from, I did this style before, but it was like a half up and half down. And then with the bang, so I'm gonna try to do like a ponytail with the bang to see how it look. Yeah, this look was actually inspired. I saw Spirited Locs, she did that style where, like, you know, the bangs with the ponytail, and I thought it was really cute. She did do a bun, but I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do the bun, so we gonna see. If we can't do the bun, I'll probably just leave it down, but if we can, because it's just, my hair is so hard, it's just so hard for me to do to actually do buns with my locks, so it's kind of annoying. But anyways, you guys, this is how we're looking like right now. Let's take a quick little selfie real quick, y'all, because your girl's looking good. Anyways, this is she looks so good. Okay, period. Anyways, y'all, so we're gonna get started. So what you're gonna need is, of course, your spray bottle, your oil. I literally just did a style, you guys, so I don't really need to oil or spray my hair because I literally just finished a previous style. So if you haven't done that, make sure you do that part first. What you're gonna need is some scrunchie, whatever scrunchie you use to, you know, do ponytails, and then you're gonna need like some of the smaller rubber bands. Yep, some of the smaller rubber bands so that you can achieve your style. So what you're gonna do, like I said, first oil and moisturize your hair first, and then next, honestly guys, I think I might just do, let me see, I'm trying to see how much bangs do I want, and I know I want to do just one at a time. I don't want to do them really thick or anything. So let's see how much I want to do. I have my mirror in front of me, guys, so I'm going to be looking in the mirror. So let's see. I can do one right here, one right here, one right here. I'm going to try to maybe do 6. And I feel like it's going to be 2. Let me do another one up here. Okay, so we're gonna do this much. I'm gonna leave this part here. I'm going to tie it up with the rubber band, so while I work on the ponytail. So with the ponytail, depending on what you want, I'm not gonna do a high ponytail. I'm gonna do like a mid ponytail, like right here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna just grab our hair up. You guys, I have such a hard time doing this because my locks are so thick and my hands are so small. Make sure you guys don't do your ponytails too tight because, you know, that can irritate your edges. It does for me. I don't know if it will for you, but I don't like tight styles at all. Okay. So this is how the ponytail look. You can fix it to your liking. But anyway, so we're gonna get started. So we're gonna just do a quick little retwist, nothing crazy, and then you're gonna see where you want to stop the lock knot. So I want to stop it like right here because I don't want it like too in my face. So we're gonna get started. Just gonna be rolling. Yo, these nails make everything so hard. So this will be the first one. I technically don't need to put the rubber band, but we're just gonna put it just for the sake of it. We're gonna put the rubber band just to like secure it for the sake of this video. It's standing up, it's okay, we're gonna fix that. So we're just gonna keep on going until we're all done. All right, you guys, so I'm halfway done. I'm gonna finish the rest off camera because you guys kind of get the idea. I'm not sure if I'm gonna fix any of them yet, but so far it's just, I just probably need to like tie them down so that they can stay. But yeah, so I'll come back once I am all done with the front. Hey y'all, so I'm in the middle of fixing this, but you guys, so far I really like it's giving bang. So what I'm trying to do, I'm sorry, my neighbor's outside and I don't know what they're doing outside and they're being really loud. Oh my god, why are they so loud? Alright y'all, so I am all done with my hair and I actually really like the bangs. Like, you guys, I'm so sorry, my neighbor is outside. She's talking, I don't know what they're doing outside, but they're really loud and these walls are really thin in the front. So yeah guys, but I really love these bangs. Like, they are definitely given, like, it's giving bang. Like, stop playing with me. It's given, like, I feel like the bun would have been cute, but honestly guys, my locks are not working with me, so the bang, I mean the bun is just not gonna happen, y'all. But I mean, I still like the ponytail. If you can do a ponytail, you can try it out. But anyways, this is it, you guys. This is the end of this look. You guys can fix it up, or, you know, make it your own, you know, do it however you like. But I think it looked really cute. It's giving bang. Really easy. Like, all you did was wrap and then use the rubber bands to secure them, and that's it, y'all. And that's it. Let me know what you guys think down below. I think it's super cute. I love it. Like, I love it. Let me know what you guys think down below. Thank you guys so much for your support and, you know, riding with your girl, and you know. But anyways, thank you guys so much again. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.